Right, Etrusco.
Etrusco.
Do you know anything about Etrusco, Kev?
Quite
a new company, actually. What do you mean,
I think they made, is it something to do with Hymer?
Yes, they're owned by Hymer.
Yeah.
2016 they started.
Yeah.
Let me just try and remember now.
But they designed to an Italian style.
Yeah, it's Italian style. They're made in Tuscany, they are.
Well, that's in Italy.
In Italy. So, Etrusco, right, if you want us to come over and do a dedicated video for you, right, in Tuscany, that's where the wine is, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is all the grapes and wine. If you're listening, Tusco, if you're listening,
yeah.
Can you do Italian?
It's like what's it, isn't it? Peter came and said garlic bread, and people kept giving him garlic bread. At one of his shows, they shouted, 50-inch plasma TV. Nobody sent him up.
No. So if you're listening to Etrusco, I'll come over. Don't worry about expenses, because I won't bring Kev with me. I'll come myself. Right?
You'll be more expensive than me.
So, yeah, 2016, Italian, they bill themselves as Italian design at more of an entry starter. Irwin own them, so it's Italian design with German machinery type of thing. It's a 2.2.
Oh, it's warm, the AC.
It is warm, mate. This is building it out, 2 berth, 4 belted seats.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Full size solar on the roof as well. Oh, we were going to have a look and see about the whether it's got aircon, weren't we?
Yeah. So it's a 2022, Kev.
Yeah.
It's a 2.2 litres, so that's going to be a chain.
Looks chunky, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? It's 130 brake horsepower, right? 729 kilogram payload we have on this, right? So 2022, how many miles?
It's a van conversion, so they tend to do a bit more. Go on, I'd say 20,000.
10,205.
That's low mileage for a van conversion.
It's a lot of low mileage. Freshwater capacity?
80.
100. Come on. If it's part of Hymer, it's going to have the kit on it, and it wastes
100.
90. Yeah. So we will be able to. We can tell.
Type X.
Type X 640 SB. That means it's 6.4 metres long.
Yeah.
Roundabout, it's going to cost you, which I think is good value, at 47, 48, under 50k.
Yeah.
For 2022 campervan with 10,000 miles. Now, hopefully, if this has anything to do with it, we will spot the signs.
Yeah.
To be honest with you. There's your first sign.
Yep.
What's that, Kev?
Hang on, I can't see it. Ah, that's the wastewater. You have a key for your wastewater, wind up and it drops your wastewater down.
Yeah, definitely I think do it as well, don't they?
Yeah.
So there's your first sign. Hymer's influence straight away.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, you around the other side?
Yeah, I'll go around the back and have a look at the back. Very nice. Got a dragon on the back. Previous owner was from Wales, I take it.
Morning.
Yep.
Second sign, Kev. Control panel.
Control panel, Hymer.
Second sign. So we know this is Hymer. How are we getting in there, Kev?
You never put the step out for me, did you?
Sorry. Well, compressor fridge. Well, it's quite a big compressor fridge.
Decent size compressor fridge, that. You can sit on the step and have a beer, can't you?
Yeah. And I know what we're going to get, Kev.
Yeah.
Press the button down, wherever it is. That's coming out.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that one. Just go through the cab, Kev.
Cab, Kev.
Cab, Kev.
Kev's cab. There we go, it's 6-speed manual, aircon, all the controls on the steering wheel, nice sporty steering wheel, nice media pack. We've got blinds on all windows and on the windscreen. Yeah, your standard Fiat cab, your later Fiat cab. So you've got your favourite lights, haven't we?
Favourite light in the world, Kev.
Yeah. You can unclip them.
Look at that.
You know you can get USBs as well.
Yeah, I know. There is one in another van down there.
That's right, yeah.
The other day.
You can actually get a USB that'll clip in there like that.
A bit of storage above, not much.
No, Avtex TV.
Avtex TV.
4 belted seats.
And just behind you quickly as well, we've got the Trumer heating and hot water. 1460 for anyone who doesn't know is your summer settings. That's hot water 4060. Over off. Below that we've got heating only, and then below that is heating and hot water at 60 degrees. Winter settings, summer settings, hence you wouldn't use heating in the summer.
No.
Okay. This is quite good. There's the control for the fridge.
Yeah.
So you put it on there.
That's clever, isn't it?
You like that, don't you?
Yeah, remote control.
Got storage in there. Storage. Bit more there.
Yep.
Couple of plugs as well, Kev.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 burner hob sink. No oven, which
Never do on Continentals.
no, a lot of the Continentals don't. Some have started doing it now, but this is like we said.
Look at this,
It's like
Kev.
an entry level,
Look
isn't it?
at this.
That's a good size bed, isn't it?
2 singles.
2 singles, so you can lift that centre cushion out and you can put your cup of tea down in the morning.
You could, Kev. Ow.
There you go.
Oh, look.
Even that's removable, yeah.
Yeah. Right, I'll tell you what. Sorry about this, folks, but I'll show you that.
More storage. Ooh, massive storage,
Isn't it? Oh, so that actually was the skylight, not the aircon.
Yeah.
That you thought it was.
Yeah.
I'm going to swap with you. I'll let you do the bathroom. It's starting to get really warm now, Kev.
Really is, isn't it?
It's going to be another hydration break.
I think it is, huh? Oh, it's a wet room. Yeah. Nice, got a duckboard. Plenty of room, actually. Good size wet room, really. Swivel the toilet round. Gives you plenty of room for having a shower. Even I could shower in this, and I'm not silk-like, am I?
Silk-like. Just pass me that over. How would you explain silk-like?
I'm not sylph-like. I'm classed as a beast. My neighbour, Graham, is a Yorkshireman. We're both a beast.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But the one thing, you know, what I do, because I drink quite a bit of wine. And you know why I drink wine?
Go on.
Because my body will not naturally make alcohol, so I have to take wine as a supplement. You have to take these supplements, don't you? You know, you take this fish oil and all that. Okay. Well, I'm taking my alcohol supplement.
Just put me that, do me a favour. Just put me that cushion back over there, because I'm not going to get all that up. And then it's just too hot at the moment.
Yeah.
Let's go round the back and have a look at it, eh?
We'll go round the back.
Oh,
Oh, I'm getting warm now.
warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fresh water filler there, Kev.
Yeah. You can tell it's done by Hymer because some of the Hymer vans, we've had the Hymer compacts like this, haven't we?
Yeah.
But the Hymer compact, because it's a shorter van, has got a transverse double, hasn't it?
What's the size of that?
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, you can even put a gas low in there.
Yeah. Yep.
That's a good size.
All that storage there. Yep, storage. And the added advantage,
The odds are, yeah. So the fresh water's there.
Yeah.
You drain off.
you can lift that middle up and you can put your bikes in there.
Yeah, you could. You could, Kev.
Yeah.
Or
even a mobility scooter.
yeah, you could. This is a nice van, Kev. This is a nice van, don't you think?
Yeah.
It's a nice van. It's 6 foot and 4 metres long. It's a good size, you know.
Well, here's all your spec anyway. 3,500 kilogram, total 6,000 kilogram. Yep, so it's got your towing weight and everything on it.
Turn the swivel seats around.
Yep.
Got a nice dinette area. You've got the extended table. You can drop these down. Oh no, you can't. Normally you can drop them down, make an emergency bed.
Ah, right.
Which you wouldn't use.
Not on this one, you won't.
But turn that around, you've got a good dinette area here.
Yeah.
Ample washroom.
Yeah. Well, it only sleeps 2 anyway, so.
Yeah. Well, the bonus there is you're not doing transverse. You've got the 2 single beds there at the back, which is and it's quite comfy actually when I lay down on it. 2 burner hob. You've got your compressor fridge. You've got your heating and hot water. Do you know what? I like this.
Yeah.
And do you know what? I prefer the 6.4, the extra length, don't you?
Yeah, because like I say, we've had the Hymer, which is a compact one.
5.4, isn't it?
The shower room's not as big because the shower room has a folding door on it, doesn't it? The collapsible door.
But no, this is a nice van, mate.
What do you say price range? 40?
48 or something like that, I think it is. It's under 50k. Yeah, what more can you expect, eh?
Yeah.
So, yeah, fitted with 200 watt solar panel, updated power management system for off-grid. So, there you go. So, if you've enjoyed the video...
What have we got now?
Oh, okay. Oh, I'll tell you what, under here, that'll be the fresh water.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Fresh water at the back one. Heating system.
Ah, right.
Right. So here...
That'll be
drain off. There's your drain off for it. These are quite good, actually. So, to obviously turn in, press the button in.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then that drains the hot water down, button comes out. That button, if the temperature drops below, I think 5 degrees, won't go in.
Yeah, 5 degrees.
It's frost thing.
So it automatically dumps the water out.
Yeah.
You've got an isolation valve turned off there.
Yeah, I was just looking at that as well. So, here's the question. We're not going to tell anyone. Which isolation valve there is turned off?
Answers in the comments.
Answers in the comments. So, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. We'll see you in another video.
Yeah, hydration break.
Oh, hydration break.